In this example, we have to express quadratic functions into the form f(x) equals to ax minus h squared plus k. This form is also known as the completed square form. Okay, let's look at example. Let's say f(x) is equals to 2x squared plus 12x plus 8. Okay, first, we have to ensure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. Okay, we do this by factorizing 2 out from both the x squared term and the x term. Note that the constant term 8 is kept outside of the brackets. Okay, just have to be very careful with your factorization, so you can check whether you have factorized correctly by expanding it in your mind. So you just check 2 times x squared is 2x squared and 2 times 6x is 12x. Okay, so we're on the right track. Next, we are going to make the expression within the brackets a perfect square. So we'll use the x term to inform us what to add and subtract. So in this case, the coefficient of x is 6. So we add the square of 6 divided by 2, and also we subtract the square of 6 divided by 2. Okay, the reason for this is because we want to ensure that the expression remains equivalent. So we have to add and subtract the same term. Okay, so now we have to expand it out. So because this won't make it a perfect square, so we have to remove this out of the brackets. So be very careful with this. So when we do it, we have to multiply 2 to it. Okay, so when we expand this out, we will have negative 2 of 3 squared instead of just 3 squared, because there's a 2 outside the brackets right from the beginning. Okay, finally, we can write it in the completed square form, and we are done.